Write your damn goals down and go, what are the things I need to do every day? Everybody wants to lose weight. Everybody wants to get married to a supermodel, right? But they're not going, okay, well, do I really want to get married to a supermodel? Yes, I totally do. This is really important to me. Okay, cool. Where do supermodels hang out? Fashion shows. I'm going to go to one fashion show a month, right? And I'm going to sit in the audience. Like, life is not that hard. Hey, I want to drive a Porsche. Where do they have Porsches? At the Porsche dealership. I'm going to head down there the next time they have an event. I'm going to go talk to some of the people. Wow, that guy's got a Bentley Mulsanne, right? Hey, how did you get that? Like, we sit there and we say we want certain things, but we don't get laser focused on what we want. And more importantly, we don't go, okay, well, what are the steps that I need to take to get there? And if you just do those two things, write your goals down, follow a process every day, you'll be a lot less stressed and you're going to make progress. Even if you're not doing the right things, it's still going to give you progress.